Hi, welcome to ISE 2020. This is Oliver Nachbauer speaking, the CEO from Movecat in Germany. Movecat is focusing kinetic stage solutions for the entertainment technology sector. And I would like to present the AirMotion family, which is starting with the XPT desk, a desk with a wide range of devices which can be driven, under stage technology, above the stage technology, chain hoists, band hoists, winches, and everything is controlled by a box principle system which is based on frequency converters which we call rMotions, available in different kind of sizes, 7.5 kilowatt up to 4.0 or 3.0 kilowatt. Everything is managed by a network node which is called NMB14. It's the brain of our system. And as well, we have got a variety of different kind of accessories which are necessary to communicate with the lighting industry, with the media server industry, like the iMotion server, the iMotion interface, special tablet versions for the setup purposes that you don't need a big desk. So that's the iMotion family with different kind of devices, different kind of controls, and that's visible on www.movecat.de.